forever in love. My love, forever you will always be mine. Only love, forever you will always be mine. Faithful love, it's always you, you'll always be. You and I will never say goodbye.
The person deserves it. I guess because I just don't owe it to myself. I owe it to the public, and most importantly, I owe it to that person.
Piolo, this is your chance. Let's be honest. Kayo na ba ni Casey Concepcion?
Yes. Sobrang patience niya sa akin. Sobrang understanding. Sobrang magmamahal yung nararamdaman ko na masasabi ko, ibang klase babae ko. You know, I wouldn't wanna watch another interview para may magsabi na may crush sa kanya o gusto siyang i-date. I just want it out, you know? I just want him to know na she's taken.